Hey guys, quick storm update. We had some nasty winds yesterday, day before. We had some tornadoes come in the day before. They didn't touch on here. There's 4 of them. I think they were south and east of us, I believe. Yeah, mainly here, just the wind was crazy. I think we were over 60s, between 60 and 67 miles an hour here. Here's my raised garden bed, part of it. Everything else looks to be okay. There's the other part of the garden bed. Yeah, and this is what it just took it up. I'm surprised it didn't go over the fence because it was pretty nasty winds. Everything else looks okay. Barbecue, that just sank because the ground was too soft. Our little barbecue chimney starter thing deal right there, and then this is right here, this one, and then right here. I have 2. One was for charcoal and one's for wood because obviously I could do both. I could grill and I can do smoke. I can do either one on this thing. Those are supposed to be, these 2 are supposed to be right here, standing up behind the barbecue. Tools got knocked over. I guess we got the least amount of damage here. But this is just a quick weather update. I just got done feeding the birds. Feeding them and giving them some water. No eggs today, so yeah. Just a little quick weather update. I'll post another one in a couple of days. Get things going. Talk to you guys soon. Bye. Oh, hey, real quick, if you guys could like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe is important. When you like, comment, that shows the interaction with my channel. Yeah, give me subscriptions up and get going a lot more. Talk to you guys later. Bye.